Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup accessories with a spotlight on what I believe to be the best large travel mirror on the market right now. The WEILY Makeup Mirror with Lights. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or someone who just loves well-designed gadgets, this mirror has something special to offer. This mirror isn't just your average compact mirror, it's a sophisticated tool designed to enhance your makeup experience wherever you go. Let's break down what makes it stand out. Firstly, the WEILY Makeup Mirror boasts 72 LED lights that can be adjusted across 3 different color temperatures: soft warm, neutral white, and natural daylight. This versatility means you can achieve the perfect lighting for any makeup application. Whether you're getting ready in a dim hotel room or a brightly lit bathroom, the touchscreen interface allows for easy brightness adjustment with just a tap of your finger, making it intuitive and user-friendly. It's a step up from traditional mechanical switches, offering durability and ease of use. Designed with portability in mind, this mirror is ultra-thin, lightweight, and compact, making it a breeze to pack for travel. Its foldable design ensures stability on any tabletop, allowing for hands-free use when you need it most. Equipped with a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, the WEILY mirror offers hours of continuous use on a single charge. It's charged via a standard USB-A port, making it compatible with various power sources like laptops and power banks. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, this mirror is not only sturdy but also stylish. Its rectangular shape and dimensions, 10 inches in length and 7.5 inches in width, provide ample viewing area without sacrificing portability. Beyond its practical features, the WEILY Makeup Mirror makes for an excellent gift. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or holiday, it's a thoughtful present that's sure to impress any makeup lover in your life. To sum it up, the WEILY Makeup Mirror with Lights is more than just a mirror. It's a companion for anyone who values convenience, functionality, and style in their beauty routine. Whether you're at home or on the go, this mirror ensures you always look your best. If you're interested in elevating your makeup game with a reliable travel companion, I highly recommend checking out this mirror. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.